Welcome to this GroupLink Everything HelpDesk tutorial video explaining filters and generating reports. In this video, I will show how ticket filters are made and used, and then how they create powerful visual reports, including various graphs that you can share.
After I log in to GroupLink's Everything HelpDesk as a technician, I will land on the My Tickets page. This gives me a customizable dashboard using these tabs to see different types of tickets. You can customize these tabs through filters. If I click the Edit icon next to a tab, it takes me to the underlying filter where I can see exactly how the tickets in the system are being filtered for my individual view. Notice I am currently filtering by status and by group. For status, I marked the tickets that equal closed or that not equals closed or resolved, and I marked the group that equals IT requests. I can also sort the data based on columns. A set of default parameters will display, but you can click the down arrow to select more or the red X to delete the ones that are not needed. Going back to the My Tickets page, I can add other filters by clicking the pencil icon on the very top right. To create a new filter, I will need to click on the Filters from the menu. You can generate a public filter for all technicians to use or private filters only for you. To create one, click on Create New in the right-hand corner. First, you want to name your filter. Next, you would click the down arrow to add your parameters. And once that is complete, you would apply the filter to run it one time or save the filter to come back and run it multiple times. Back on the filter screen, you can click the green play button, which will give you a preview of the tickets the filter will display. From there, they can be exported to Excel or to a PDF. Filters not only let you customize the home screen, but also help you to create reports. From the menu on the left, click Reports. This management page will list all current reports. As with filters, you can make reports public or private. Under My Reports as an example, let's take a look at all open IT requests by location. This will show all the total open tickets broken down by each location in the system. Built in is a drill down interactive feature to show more details about a certain statistic. For example, this report drill down on the North office shows the categories at that specific location. Let's take a look at how this report is created. On the report screen, I will click the Edit icon. Here we see the ticket filter behind this report, and it is IT requests. You can select any filter to generate a report. This report is grouped by location, meaning the report was displaying combined ticket information from the filter by the locations configured in the help desk. Here is where you will determine the drill down information. It is category in this example. You can display the information alphabetically or by the greatest number of tickets. You can also have your report generate in PDF, HTML, Excel, or CVS file. At the bottom, it is displayed a checkbox title or titled Run this report on a schedule. Here, you can set a recurring pattern for the report to be generated and distributed by email. You are able to select a recurring day of the week, when it starts and when it stops. Draft an email message and determine its recipients so the entire process is automated. Set up once and you're done. Back to the reports page, you can create a new report on your own by clicking the Create New button. As with filters, you can make reports private or public. If you have your report on a recurring schedule, you can click the Play or Stop button to pause that schedule. You will see the loading icon letting you know the recurring pattern is in effect. Please watch our other tutorial videos for some features and tips. We also offer a free personalized demo where we can help configure the help desk to fit your specific needs. Schedule a demo on grouplink.com. Thank you for using GroupLink Everything Help Desk.